Here's how to delete your search history on the YouTube app. Now, on your iPhone or Android, open up the YouTube app. I'm going to walk you through a couple of different examples. The first one is just to tap on the search icon at the top right. And this gives you a brief guide on your recent searches. You can, on any of these, swipe to the left and hit delete if there is a recent search and you just wanted to delete that specific one. However, there are other options to delete the entire search history and watch history if you want. To be able to do that, let's hit the back arrow and then tap on where it says You at the very bottom right. And now from here, you're going to tap on that gear icon at the very top right. However, first, you might want to tap on switch account here and make sure you're on the correct account. Keep in mind your search and watch history is tied to just a specific account. So if you have multiple, you might want to go through these steps on multiple accounts. After you've done that and you're on the right account, you can tap on that gear icon at the top right. And now from here, we're going to tap on your data in YouTube. You'll be able to see it says browser delete your YouTube activity. I can scroll down, see my videos and playlists. However, now I'm getting into YouTube controls. This is the helpful part. It says YouTube watch history. And then if I scroll down, YouTube search history as well, and YouTube voice searches. Let's delete out all of these. So I'm going to tap on manage your YouTube search history. You'll be able to see it takes me to a screen that looks like this. All I need to do is tap on the delete option. I can delete for today or custom range or delete all time. Now, if you're not getting to this portion or you're not seeing it for whatever reason, an easy alternative is to open up a web browser and just go to myactivity.google.com. Again, myactivity.google.com. And from here, you can see it shows you your web activity timeline and your YouTube history directly on this website-based version. Again, at the very top right, make sure you're logged into the correct account. So you can either delete it on here, or let's go back to the app. Let's say I wanted to delete all of my searches. I can hit delete all time and then hit delete. However, keep in mind there might be voice searches as well. So you might want to scroll through here and change that for voice searches by going back, tapping on YouTube voice searches, and going down to the bottom, and you can choose to delete that, or in my case, I'm just going to turn that off or pause the YouTube voice search history. After I've done that and I go back, you can also go to manage your search history. And from here, you can choose if you wanted to disable your YouTube search history if you wanted to. Just tap on that. And instead of, if it says turn off, it's basically just tap on that. And then you can choose to unselect, include your video watch history and your search history. So we've disabled all of it and deleted all of it. However, a cool other feature is if you go all the way back, let's say you don't want to go through all of these steps, you just wanted to search for a couple of things, but you don't want it to keep a record of that. All you need to do within the You section at the bottom right is to swipe over until you get to turn on incognito. If you tap on that and hit got it, you can search for whatever you want. You can watch whatever you want, and it won't keep any record of that associated with your account, which is really nice. Basically, just use YouTube however you want. And then when you're ready to go, you can either just close out of the app and open it up again, and then tap on You at the bottom right and hit turn off incognito. By closing out of it and then opening up again, you ensure that nothing is saved on there, and then you can disable incognito so that it's as if you never did it in the first place.